Hi, I'm Barbara Brown, and I help people restore their lives to God's original design. This video is one of a series answering some of the most common and important questions about a naturally organic, plant-based liquid mineral supplement called Trace Minerals Plus. The subject of this video is, can I get all the minerals I need from a daily multivitamin mineral supplement? Let me ask you a question. Did God make your supplement, or did people make it? Did your supplement come from a company where people decided how much of one element or another to put together in a certain form and in certain amounts, even if the elements are naturally extracted? How did they make it? Or does your supplement come from nature that God created? If it did, you're probably doing pretty well. If not, chances are somebody left out something or they didn't put it together in the right combination, because think about it. People just aren't as smart as God. So, if He already provided it, why wouldn't we take it in that form? Did it come from a company that decided somehow to put this element or that element together in certain forms and in certain amounts? Where did it come from? I've never found a multivitamin mineral supplement, not one that works synergistically inside your body that creates more benefit than it does stress. Quite the opposite. The ones I found create more stress than you can derive benefit from. Oh, you may derive some benefit, but not as much as you could. So why not get a synergistic form of all the minerals we can identify already pre-measured and in a form your body can recognize, absorb, and utilize? How are we going to do that? Think of it this way. Millions of years ago, before anyone farmed anything, the plants took all the nutrients that were originally in the soil, absorbed them, and when they die, layer upon layer was composted over hundreds, thousands, even millions of years. The minerals in those plants are available to us today. All we have to do is drip water through that plant deposit, and out comes a liquid containing over 70 major and minor mineral elements, plus trace elements in a form your body can recognize, absorb, and utilize. I learned a principle many years ago. Doesn't matter what you take, it matters what your body does with what you take. You can take anything you want, but you don't have anything to say about what your body does with it. Why not provide your body with what God created in the beginning in a synergistic form as it naturally occurred, and take it in a form that your body can use quickly and easily? If this serves you, I hope you'll like and share it. If you want 20 free videos answering the top questions people ask about the oldest, all-natural nutrients made by God for the only body you have, go to videos.tracemineralsplus.com. That's videos.tracemineralsplus.com. I'm Barbara Brown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.